So how do you see how much data you have left on your iPhone? Let me talk about it and try to explain it. So if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So obviously some plans from the carriers are limited, and there are some built-in tools and also some tools you can get from the App Store. So if we start with the built-in one, you can go to your settings and you can see right there we have the cellular section, and the cellular section is the place where you're going to set up the SIM card and control the mobile data. On this particular phone, I don't have it set up just yet, but if I just bring in here another device where I already use my cellular data, you can see this is what it looks like. We have the cellular data breakdown, and you can see how much I used for the current period roaming while sharing on the personal hotspot for particular apps where I can control very specifically and so on. So it's a nice breakdown to see how much you use. So how do you know how much you have left? Well, you can use this trick that at the bottom you reset the statistics on the first of the month or the first day when your plan renews. So for example, each month you have like 5 gigabytes or 50 gigabytes, 100, whatever, right? It doesn't matter. But on the first month, you reset these statistics, and you can track it in here whenever you go to the settings and cellular, how much you have used up so far, and you can see in real time if you have enough left, right? So you can see if you use like 40 out of 50 and it's like half the month, you should probably slow down, and you get my point. But you have to remember to reset it on the first of the month or whenever the plan renews. But there are still some better solutions if you ask me. When you get the apps from the App Store, there is an app which you can look up, and it's called My Data Manager, and it's free. Obviously there are some like paid add-ons which you don't really need, but there is the My Data Manager. This is what it looks like. As I said, it's freely available, and this app tracks your data usage on mobile, Wi-Fi, as well as in roaming. So in here, you can see not much data has been collected so far. But again, if I bring in here this another phone, my personal one where I use a lot of data, you can see in here, I get to control it exactly. So at the bottom, I have the data usage. So mobile data, 25.9 gigabytes. And also the Wi-Fi roaming, right? So if I go to these statistics, I can even see the history of mobile roaming, Wi-Fi, whatever, all of the charts, and you can see it for today, yesterday, a lot of data on Wi-Fi, a couple of on mobile, right? So you can see all of it is broken down nicely. So yeah, I would recommend you to get this app. I'm not like affiliated with the developers or the app in any way, but I think it's just useful. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.